Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy, and in this video I would like to give you a short recap about my recent swing trading trade on the USDN, which is currently 10 to 1 in profits. This was swing trading trade, and I just want to give you more details about that. So as you can see, if you have clean trading plan, if you follow the rules, this is exactly what you can achieve. Of course, it's not very often. Market is very pleased for us because right now USDN is dropping like a crazy, as you can see here. But of course, it's not possible to achieve such results if you don't train your discipline, if you don't train your patience, if you don't have trading plan, if you don't follow your plan and execute the trades correctly. Okay. So let me explain you exactly why I am in this trade and how I plan to manage this. So if we usually I don't check monthly, but I just want to give you some idea. I start usually from the weekly chart, but if you pay attention, for the monthly, price was going high for up for very long time without any bigger retracement. So of course we could expect some retracement, and luckily for me, I took this trade almost from the top, and the retracement is very strong right now. It's not that usually when you have small retracement right now price is dropping, which is of course good. Keep in mind always that we never know how market react after we place the order. Okay, so that's why we need to have trading plan and really stick to it and follow it. So if I go to weekly chart, idea of this trade was to catch some retracement first back to the 36 EMA and back to this area of the support, which was my target, together with this weekly trend line. And price reacted here a little bit, but then just simply broke it, and it's still falling down. Okay, so those targets were broken. So you see, I didn't close the position. I patiently wait to see what price will do. Usually traders, especially with the swing trading, where you have to leave position a little bit longer. Whenever we have small reactions, traders are often start to panic and they close the position, and then price is still following in their direction. I just waited to see what happened, and as you can see, price broke everything. So the next area and next point of interest for me is this zone of the support here, this and that. And if I look for next possible trend line on the weekly, yes, on the weekly, we will see that we have this line. So those are right now point of interest for me, together with the monthly 36. And at this zone, of course, I will pay attention more what price might to create. So if I go to daily chart, then you will see that the trade was taking after daily trendline breakout. There was very nice, beautiful trendline with 36 close to it. And 4-hour chart swing trading strategy set up after trendline breakout. This is where I took this trade. As you can see, entry was in this place. Stop loss, of course, is was higher. It was around 130 pips stop loss, quite big for USDN, but we had volatility, strong volatility after this drop. Target 1 was hit here, target 2 was hit here, and of course I have my levels, but price didn't really react strongly on them, just broke this area of the support. And we also have this trend line, which I mentioned here around this zone. Price small reaction, then we had this breakout. We had also another opportunity to jump in after this trade. According, of course, I took it according to our basic rules. Entry here, stop loss a little bit bigger, 250 pips, but still price achieved around 1000 pip. And as you can see from this, my entry till bottom price reached 1500 pips. Currently we are in the 1300 pips with the stop loss 130. My bonus lot currently is if I close everything is 2 to 1. Currently I log this to 6 to 1. as you can see here, because I want to observe what will happen. Of course, retracement will happen, so I will give back some profits from this point, but I expect still retracement continuation, and then I will see if I won't get continuation. Then there are two ways: or I close everything, try to do it at the bottom, or I will hedge my position. So what I will do, I will open around level where price, when I decide to see that price might create bigger retracement, I will open buy position. Because what you have to keep in mind that on the daily chart, I manage this position on the 4 hour, but if on the daily chart we will at some point have this bigger retracement, so my stop loss will be hit definitely. So I prefer or to try to close at the really bottom, or buy it and then decide what to do next to lock my profit. Same opportunity we have also on the KDN. There was also a trend line breakout, daily trend line breakout with 4 hour chart entry here, as you can see. So if you catch two trades like that, here stop loss was bigger, 150 pips. Now price reached 1200, so not exactly 10 to 1, but still very great profits. And price currently is reaching weekly level, so there might be some reaction. So two trades like that, and basically you can cover a lot of losing trades, or get bigger, definitely much bigger profits than you could usually get. It's not often like that. You have to keep in mind again that we never know how price behaves, but if you stay to your strategy, to your edge, be disciplined, don't panic about the small reactions, then you can achieve results like that. Okay. If you are interested more about the strategy, or you want to learn how to achieve such results, how to manage your emotions when you trade, I would like to invite you to my one-on-one mentorship program. You will find link to this website below this video in the description. In By joining this program, you also get access to my advanced trader program, where I do live trading room, um, where I explain such opportunities, and I make watch list for possible trades, and USDN one of them of our watch list. If you have any questions, you can just leave your name and email and send me the message. I will get back to you. We'll have small chat at the beginning to see if I can help you, to see if we can work together. No worries, it's completely for free. So if you have any questions, doubts, just contact me, and of course we will speak. Below you will find more details about me, about benefits of having mentor. This is also how my change started. Yes, I took mentorship with Nikos, and my trading changed completely. Below you will find also my offer with prices, and if you scroll down even lower, you will find some short videos where I explain you exactly your learning process, which is basically divided for three major parts. First is the technical part, when you learn strategy, planning part, when I explain you how to make trading plan and trading journal, and of course mindset part, where I explain you how to work with the emotions, how to find your limiting beliefs which are causing you that you, let's say, sabotage your trading, or you are in the trading loop where you always try to find new trading strategies, new styles, but it's not helping you to get better results. And this is where I put a lot of efforts, that you understand the key aspect of mindset, because this is really, if you want to be long-term successful, this is where you have to work the most. Technical part and planning parts, it's not so important like mindset, because whatever strategy you decide to take, you always execute this with your beliefs, not what you think, to be honest, but with your core beliefs, which are hidden. But I will show you technique, how to work with that, how to overcome your trading small little demons. So thanks a lot for watching videos. If you have any questions, leave the comment or just contact me using this page below. Also have contact form to ask other questions if you want. So thanks again. Wish you all a great day and see you soon. Bye.